everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Shakkarpara recipe. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. Everyone will love it. When you eat Shakkarpara, you always see these white kind of sugary. How to get this sugar? Then you need to use a confectioner sugar. And once it's going to cool down, just like this. This is I prepared my second batch. I thought I should share the tip with you. Your question will be why Shakarpara look white? When I make it, they don't look white. When you go to Hawaii or restaurant, store-bought Shakarparas are like this. That's how you achieve the consistency. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The ingredients I'm going to use 4 cup all-purpose flour. This is called maida. 2 cup sugar. I have a powdered sugar. You can use any sugar. Desi ghee, clarified butter. If you like to use a vegetable oil, then add half cup. Warm water, baking powder, and confectioner sugar. First, we're going to prepare the dough. Get a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, add baking powder. With the help of whisk, combine it. Once it's nicely combined, add desi ghee. Now we're going to mix it well. So make sure your hands are very clean. So put it on your hand and rub it. So keep mixing the same way. Once desi ghee is nicely combined with the all-purpose flour, and we're going to add water, little warm. Now we're going to combine it well. And make a dough just like we make a dough for chapati, roti, fulka. Same way. And keep mixing it. Don't add water too much. Add slowly. I always list ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. After adding some more water, now mix it again. Our dough is ready. And this is how it looks. And let it sit for 15 minutes. Get a pot, fill up with the oil, and we're going to start the gas. As the oil starts to heat up, then we're going to start deep frying the Shakarpara. On another burner, on other side, get a karahi or fry pan, add sugar and water. Mix it. Sugar is nicely dissolved. It's need 1/3 consistency. And on the other side, we're going to prepare Shakarpara. The dough has been rested for 15 minutes. And now we're going to roll it. The rolling pin, and we're going to roll out. We need like a 1/4 inch thick. Now get a knife. We're going to cut it just like this. So keep cutting straight lines. Now cut it diagonal. So if we take a look, this is how it's going to look. So get a plate. I'm going to get some more. I'm going to do the same thing. Roll out 1/4 inch thick, and then we're going to cut it. So I'll finish the same way. If you don't have a pizza cutter, then use a knife the way I show it to you. But if you have a pizza cutter, then it gives you more perfection. As you see, we all done. Now we're going to deep fry these. So let's go on the gas. Oil is heated up. I'll open it. If you have a basket, then that is the best. You can use any type of basket which goes on a copper chef pan. So it's a good idea. You can pull the basket up and then you can grab this many. You put it like this. So once we put it in like this, then we're going to deep fry these. At this moment you seen they were sticking together. As soon as they are cooking, they are changing color. Once they are golden brown, then we're going to take them out. So I have a plate ready. So once they are golden brown like this, now I'm going to take these out. So once there is no more oil, we'll place it on the plate. And the same process. This is a good thing about any basket. When you're deep frying, you put it on top like this, then deep fry these. So if we check now, this is a little lighter color. We need a little bit more cooking. So once it's golden brown, we'll pull these out. To get more darker color, you can keep it a little longer, but this is perfect. So once we take these out, then we're going to put more in there, and same process, and deep fry these. Once the oil heated up, you always keep your gas on a medium. And after frying for 20 seconds, pull these out and just move around. If there is anyone sticking together, you can break those. And if you look, this is all nice crunchy. Look, and on the other side, our chasni is also ready. Need a little bit more. So once it's one thread, we'll turn off the gas. So the third batch is also done. This is nice color. Place it into the plate. This is the last batch. Just be careful when you're putting in. On the other side, our chasni is ready. We're looking now. The chasni is all ready. And this is one thread. And I turn off the gas. So this is the last batch. As you see, they are nicely done. And place it into. So as you see, this is our chasni. Now we're going to place Shakarpara inside. We're going to dump everything in there. So once we place all the Shakarpara inside, now we're going to do the sugar coating. This is an important step. You do it like this. This is the perfect measurement to make Shakarpara. So please check out the description. As you see, it's nicely coated. Now we're going to put the confectioner sugar. This is the time to put it on, because once we put it at this time, what's going to happen, it will stick better. Add confection sugar on top of it. Once it's stick on, and then they're going to look really nice and decent. So let me share with you. All the Shakarpara. You've seen it. It's so easy to make Shakarpara at home, and they are super delicious. For the best results, let it cool down, then you eat it, then they will be more crispy and crunchy. I hope you like this recipe. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.